another topic under this mathematics, under this probability, the same probability, under this the same equiparable event is what? A fair coins. Everybody know a coins. In the ancient time, in the antiquated time, in the olden days, we all know a coins. A coins only have head and tail. That is why I say a fair coins. In a fair coins, there are two faces. The two faces there, one head, one tail. The total is what? 2. Or this is the coins. It's the illustration like having a head and a tail. Now, that is, a coins has two possible outcomes. And that possible outcome is numbers of favorable outcome over total numbers of what? Of outcome. Example 1. In a single throw of a fair coins, single throw of a fair coins, find the probability that a head appear, B, a tail appear. It's very simple. We will start from the simple to the complex. Solution. The solution goes like this. Number A. Before we solve the A, number A, we have head. Head is what? Head is 1. Then tail is also 1. So total is equal to what? 2. Now, according to the statement, the A, there's a probability that what? Head appear. Head appear is equal to 1 over what? The total is what? 2. That is just it. The total of this one is 2 because it is being thrown once. Now, B, probability that tail appear. Numbers of what? Of tail. Let me do it like this for you. Over total. And number of tail is 1 over what? Total is what? 2. So 2 of them is what? 1 over 2, 1 over 2. Now let me go to example 2. You know that this example 1 is throwing once. But this one now, we are throwing it 2 times. And say in a single throw of what? 2 fair coins. That is, the coins are 2. Find the probability that 2 head appear. Now, solution. First thing you must know that they say coins. This is a coins. This is the diagram of the first. Are you with me? This is what? Head. And this is the tail. Now this is one throw. Then I say 2. That if you are going to have, we are going to have another what? Branch here. Let's make it 2 now. So we have head here, and we have what? Tail here. We have head here, and we have what? Tail here. Now, how can we get head plus head? This is head. Because this one goes like this. The next one is head, move like this. It's equal to what? Head, tail. Then we come to this place. Tail, head. It's equal to what? Tail, head. Then we come to this place. Tail, tail. Now, if we are going to do total of everything is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 4. Why? Because it is twice 2 what? 2 times. Because it is twice 2 times. Now, I want to continue the solving in this place. Let me continue the solving here. Now, from here, we are asked that A probability that 2 head appear. Now, let's look up the probability. Probability that 2 head appear. That is, doesn't mean that is. I means that is. 2 head. That is. This is H. It's a 2 head that appear. H. I believe you can see. Means what? Number of the head. Abi, the head is what? Is 1. Then the total is what? Is 4. So that is our answer. Then B, we have the probability of what? 2 tail appear. Now 2 tail appear. You will look that is 2 tail. This is 2 tail. 1, 2 is 2 tail. That is T. Which is number of what? Numbers of that tail. Tail is 1 now. 1 over what? Over the total, which is what? 4. Now C. We are giving C to be 1 head, 1 tail. Probability of what? 1 head. 1 tail. That is, RE means that is. When you look, the one that has 1 head, 1 tail. This one has 1 head. This one also have 1 head and 1 tail. So it means that we have HT, TH. Then everything is what? Number of what? Number of 1 head. 1 head. Let me clean this place. Number of what? Of 1 head and 1 what? 1 tail over the total. Now, number of 1 head and 1 tail is this. That is 2. They are 2, 1, 2. I believe you are getting what I'm doing here. 1, 2. 1, 2. Then over total is what? Total is 4. So definitely 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Your final answer is 1 over what? Over 2. That is our answer. We can go to example 3 now. Very well. When you look very well, I have given the one for 1 toys and the one for 2 toys. Now this is the one for 3 toys. And you have the very scrupulous. Scrupulous simply means very what? Very careful. It means 3 coins are what? Are toys. I cannot do it here. Let me do it in a bigger place. 3 coins. Firstly, you must know that the first coins is like this. Coins. The first one is first coins that was toy is head and tail. That is first one. The second one, now we are moving to the second line. The second one is like this. Head, tail. Head, tail. I believe you understand this. The third one, the third throw is from here. You pick it from here like this. That is head here and what? Tail. Then you pick another one from here like this. Head, then tail. Then you pick another one from here like this. Head and what? Tail. This head and tail. And tail. Then you pick another one from here like this.